And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Good Friday morning, everybody. Live look from our Springfield camera. Quiet morning out there, partly to mostly cloudy skies. It's dry right now, but later on this afternoon, especially in the Berkshires and the hills, we're going to be dealing with some wintry weather, some flurries and snow showers. So here's a look at the 22 News Storm Team forecast focus. So as we head into this afternoon, flurries and snow showers, and we could see some accumulation in the Berkshires and the hills as we head through the day today. And the winds are going to really pick up. So many of us will be dry, but it's going to be a windy and cold day. So if you're doing any Black Friday shopping, you'll definitely want to bundle up, especially this afternoon. Partly cloudy and windy tonight. Flurries and snow showers come to an end. As we head through the weekend, looks bright and dry Saturday, good deal of sunshine. Temperatures upper 30s and lower 40s, similar to today. Still a bit of a breeze, but not as windy as today. Then we are tracking some rain on Sunday. May start as a bit of a wintry mix Sunday afternoon before it changes over to rain. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect for northern Berkshire County from 10 a.m. this morning until 10 o'clock this evening. That's for those snow showers, bands of lake effect snow that are going to be working in. And again, that's where we have the best chance to see some accumulating snow as we head through the day today. Temperatures out there right now are in the 30s, 30 in Brimfield, we're 33 in Westfield, 31 in Hatfield, Ashfield at 34, 32 in Northfield, and we're 35 over in Sheffield. Clouds and radar, and you can see that we are dealing with for the most part, some clouds out there, a few breaks in the valley, but this is what we're tracking for this afternoon. You can see these lake effect snow bands coming off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, and these are going to be working in our direction as we head through this afternoon, especially western slopes of the Berkshires into the hills. So here's a look at the skycast. We'll take you through it hour by hour, 7 o'clock this morning. Again, partly cloudy skies, and then as we head into the late morning, early afternoon, that's when we start to see these snow bands coming in to the Berkshires and the hills, especially Franklin County, Western Hampshire County. There we're at 11 a.m. And that's going to continue through this afternoon. There we are at 3 o'clock, right where the winter weather advisory is. You can see that's where we're going to see some steady bands of the snow through a good portion of the day today. 7 o'clock this evening, still dealing with some flurries and snow showers, Berkshires and the hills, but again, not much going on in the valley. And then it finally comes to an end as we head towards midnight. Partly cloudy skies overnight. Nice day tomorrow. Tomorrow definitely the pick of the weekend. 7 o'clock, good deal of sunshine. And then as we head into the afternoon, mostly sunny at 3 o'clock. Temperatures upper 30s and lower 40s. A bit of a breeze. And then Saturday night, clouds moving in. There we are at 11 o'clock. Sunday morning is dry. There we are at 7 a.m. Cloudy skies. And you can see it's some rain and perhaps a wintry mix as we head into Sunday afternoon, especially western sections of Hampshire County, the hills of the Berkshires up into Franklin County, starting out as some sleet and snow, but will change over to rain as temperatures warm up as we head through the afternoon and into Sunday night. So your forecast looks like this. Today, partly sunny, some flurries and snow showers this afternoon, especially in the Berkshires and the hills. It'll be windy, 38 to 42 degrees. As far as snowfall goes, again, not much in the lower Pioneer Valley, but as you head up into the hills, coating to an inch southern Berkshire County, western Hampden County, 1 to 2 inches as you head up towards Pittsfield. You can see the jackpot here, 2 to 4 inches between Pittsfield and North Adams into the western portions of Hampshire and even Franklin County through this afternoon. Evening flurries and snow showers, and then partly cloudy and windy. Overnight lows 24 to 28. 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast. Saturday, lots of sunshine, breezy, 41 degrees. That rain moving in Sunday afternoon. Again, it may start it as a mix, 46 degrees. Looks dry Monday, partly sunny first day of December, 38 degrees. And then Tuesday, we're going to have to watch this very closely. Could be dealing with some snow, could be accumulating snow, something we'll have to watch for the day on Tuesday, 34 degrees. And then looks dry after that. Wednesday and Thursday, partly sunny, temperatures in the mid and upper 30s. 7-day forecast, it's always online at wwlp.com. And remember, you can always track those flurries and snow showers out there today on your mobile device. Download the free 22 News app.